One piece of devastation hit the beautiful island of Jamaica, the worst ever in its history, a category 5-star Melissa. It mashed up the breadbasket of Jamaica. Yeah, it rained havoc at St. Elizabeth, Hanover, Westmoreland, Moby and Trelawny left people devastated and afraid. A big hole bust out open on a beach of St. Thomas, Madeira, black traffic. Them drop a rotted rock stone to see how far it go, and I know them can't hear it. Some says a door it open to hell. And I say it's a bottomless pit. And we can't tell them sis, the government have a lot to fix. People come from America, Venezuela, all about foreign land. Everybody try help out with the island, cause them see the devastation. Some locals go out of parish and go lend a helping hand. If Vision 2030 and next 5 years, I only repairs that man. One lady at Westmoreland fear story, Lord, it touched me. She beg the government for me to pathway if you come collect some dead body. She said the road them block up, so them can't drive out none tall. And the dead body them start to stink on them down there, and she a pray somebody answer the call. Some people traumatized bad, nothing to drink or eat. Them house blow down flat around them, have no way to sleep, clothes, appliances, furniture, everything scattered all about in a rubble. So much loss and damages of the people's valuable. Why, Melissa never behave. She wash her list them family grave. Dump on Treasure Beach, she wants to see how far the grave them reach. Melissa is a dirty girl, a big contract that she breach, cause bad to bad, dopey them no day no more, and she not make them rest in peace. Some people say the storm never natural. All kinds of suspicion. Them say the orange area them get hit, cause they never vote for such man. Them say suspects sell out Jamaica, and the people they mustn't sign off them land, cause I give him one give away Jamaica to foreign national. But come here a little bit to Jamaica. Just to say the question, we no migrate to other people foreign place to and go buy foreign house and foreign land. So what happens if people buy fractions of Jamaica? Come on, fear is fear, man. And talking about foreign, we no want to hear this, but somebody have to tell you. When you hear Jamaicans meet at a foreign, stop chat and wish they evil. We not happy the other day when Trump sent on people back at them yard. But look at it now though, how much help I send back from foreign, go down a yard. Stop a try to make we feel away like we betray Jamaica. Cause me and you know say it rough down the bad. I don't think so much different up in America. But remember, me not accepted down a yard because when I hate side might have batty man. But check on social media now, gay, straight, lesbian, whatever orientation, I give a helping hand. Furthermore, if a mother bird not leave the nest, how will she feed the young? You're going like say, if we eat big food up here, the blessings not going to send down. So Jamaicans, just keep Jamaicans in your prayers, whether you're home or abroad. We want everyone blessed and happy because we grew up from the same yard. We might feel like we'll get a setback now, but I just cut and clear. The earth had to speak because too much satanic activity that keep down them here. Jamaica not used to that. We are a blessed space. So Mother Earth had to show our sign we could have broke up on the solid ways. Plus, you know, see the rivers them beautiful, then return to them natural flow. Suppose they see Paradise River Portland, water pretty and a glow. We need help to clean up the land, replant trees, refurbish homes. Those on the ground, try to help out, knock on your neighbors' doors. But keep an eye out for the criminal them, cause you know everybody aren't no clean, cause of be scamming and looting start going up on social media, enough drop in. I understand some people have to post for the purpose of transparency, but some people post all a tin of milk, some sardine and rice when they give somebody granny. By the way, Ramesh, I'm glad to see you always a help out, but I realize you shared Maya and TJ what they with what slipped from your mouth. You were wrong in that incident and you will always be. So nobody try to send nobody upon a guilt trip. If you help, just help me G. Cause nothing only you know what help, only not help from on a heart, you know. It's just to be seen and glorified by men, the devil's public show. NHG, you need to do more than ever. Cause you see people homeless state. And the people them say you're too wicked, with them the high interest rate. And nobody no want a boardhouse and a container for living. I think them are a rock. As hurricane do so, poof, the whole rotted blow down flat.